12 Birds of Christmas
12 Birds of Christmas.
by Handmade Theatre. The 12 Days of Christmas was originally based on birds.
I thought it was amazing. Good.
Really good.
My favourite bit was the singing.
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
I liked it when they were doing the numbers.
Probably the bit where we got all the tints and we had to make the nest into a golden ring.
When all the snow went down because it went on my head and down my cheeks and on my chin. It was very nice and it fell in my mouth at the end.
The turkey probably.
It was funny because he kept falling asleep. When the cowboy was telling the story. When they were playing the instruments because it was a nice song.
When it's raining, go to the nest. When it's raining, go to the nest in the rain.
I liked it when all the puppets came out.
Instead of like drummers drumming, it was snipes drumming because they dig into the ground. For the French hens, they dressed up as French people and spoke French, and then like came round and spoke French to us all. The set is amazing because it's made out of wood. It's completely made out of wood. And the costumes they had to like quickly put on behind the set and would then come out and do the acting bit.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
It was amazing!